Alright, what up team motivation? Y'all know who it is. We finna get ready to do a van, y'all. We got a Vino in this joint. So what we doing here is a system, alarm, and a TV. And that's it. So let's go ahead. Let's see what we got here. We got 412s, but I gotta make a custom box. Oh, I gotta make a custom box. And I got a custom fit. That box doesn't fit in the back. The panels are making sure it don't fit. So basically, I gotta make a box, and you still want to be able to let the rear sofa bed down and for it to fit. So yeah, we're doing that, and we're putting the 32-inch TV, the 32-inch video D series up there. And he wanted so it don't hang down. So he basically wanted to see how that fit right there. How I stopped right there. That's where he wanted this one to stop at. But it's a bigger TV. So we're gonna put it up there where it's not gonna hang down like that. We're doing 6x9s, tweeters, 2 amps, EQ. Yeah, 3 amps. We're doing 3 amps. Crossover. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Don't hide that in here. Y'all be seeing the TV going in next. This the old TV. TV. 6x9s. It's gonna be real loud, y'all. Stay tuned. Everything brand new, man. Everything brand new. Everything. Boxes. Time to wrap the box up now. Nice and clean, carpet tips.